Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Success Seat, your one-stop channel for IT job updates, career tips, and interview strategies. Today, I'm back with an amazing opportunity, especially for all job seekers, freshers, and final year students. Yes, TCS iON NQT June 2025 is now open, and the last date to apply is 24th June. So let's get into the full details. What is TCS NQT? TCS NQT stands for National Qualifier Test, and it's a pan-India assessment conducted by TCS iON every month. This test acts like a gateway to multiple job opportunities, not just in TCS, but also in other partner companies. You'll receive a scorecard, and based on that, you can apply to several job roles across India. And here's the best part. This scorecard is valid for 2 years. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. Key dates: last date to register, 24th June 2025. Test date, 6th July 2025. If you've already written this test earlier, you can log in and view your past results using your registered username and password. Step-by-step process. Let me quickly walk you through the 5 simple steps of how this works. Step 1: Register and apply for the TCS iON NQT exam on their official website. Step 2: Appear for the test and get your score. Step 3: Use your NQT score to apply for jobs listed on the TCS iON platform. Step 4: You can also use your score to apply to partner companies directly through their websites. Step 5: Based on your score and suitability, you'll start receiving interview calls and job offers. It's a very structured and simple process. Who can apply? Let's talk about eligibility. This test is open to pre-final and final year students of any stream or degree, students graduating between 2021 and 2027, working professionals with up to 2 years of experience. Whether you are from engineering, BSc, BCom, BBA, or even arts background, this opportunity is for everyone. Courses modules. During registration, you'll be asked to choose a track or module, like Cognitive Skills, IT, or BFSI. You can choose any one module based on your background and interest. But remember, preparation is key. Make sure you study aptitude, reasoning, verbal, and basic programming concepts if you are going for IT roles. So guys, don't miss this chance. Register before 24th June. Prepare well for the test on 6th July. And start applying to top companies using your score. Comment "Applied" if you've registered, and like and share this video to help your friends too. And don't forget to subscribe to Success Seat for more job updates and career tips. See you in the next video.